Hello, dear students. Welcome to this grammar class on nouns. In the last class, we discussed form class words and function class words, and I hope you remember those categories. So, nouns fall into the first category, form class words. So, what is a noun? The simplest definition that we can give is naming words are called nouns. So, what are nouns? Words used as names of person, place, thing, animal, or bird, a feeling. So, these are called nouns. So, what is a noun? Words used to name things. Name a person. പേരിടാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുക? നൗൺസ്. ഒരു സാധനത്തിൻ്റെയോ ഒരാളിൻ്റെയോ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തിൻ്റെയോ ഒരു ആനിമലിൻ്റെയോ പേരിടാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകളാണ് എന്താണ്? നൗൺസ്. ആൻഡ് ദർ ആർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് കാറ്റഗറീസ് അണ്ടർ ദീസ് നൗൺസ്. We can say that there are three broad categories of nouns. Nouns can either be proper or common. So that is the first classification, proper nouns and common nouns. Secondly, it can be abstract or concrete. Abstract noun or concrete noun. And apart from that, we have one more category. It can be singular or plural. So if you get a noun, you can identify all these three categories. It can either be a common or a proper noun, it can be concrete or abstract, or it can be singular or plural. So every noun is one in each category. For example, the word desert. It is a common noun, it is concrete and singular. Likewise, now any noun that you find, you can identify these classifications or categories in it. So we'll discuss each of these categories, and before going into those categories, so what is a noun? Noun is a person. It's an idea. Name of a person, name of an idea, of a place, of a thing, of an animal. For example, baby, puppy. An idea, freedom is another example. Name of a city, name of a land, country, name of a thing, a flower, lotus. So these are examples of nouns. So now let's see different classifications of nouns. The first is common nouns and proper nouns. So what do you mean by a proper noun? What do you mean by a common noun? Nouns that do not tell us about the particular names of people, place, or thing are called common nouns. They are used for a group of people without naming any one in particular. These common nouns begin with small letters. That is how you can identify, one way of identifying common nouns. So what is a common noun? It's not about one particular person or a thing or a bird. It's a common noun. For example, girl, boy, garden, school, man, woman, church. So these are examples of common nouns. It's not about one particular girl. If it is Sita, or if it is Rebecca, then that is a proper noun. But girl, it's an example of common noun. Did you understand? Common nouns എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്നാ? Now അത് ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ഒരാളുടെ പേരല്ല, ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ആളുടെ പേരല്ല, ഒരു പൊതുവേ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകളാണ്. ഗേൾ, ബോയ്സ്, സ്കൂൾസ്, പ്ലേസസ്, man, woman, church, airport. So these are all examples of proper noun. not proper noun, common noun. So, what is a proper noun? Nouns that name a particular person, thing, or place, they are called proper nouns. And the easiest way is to identify proper nouns is to look at the spellings. It will begin with capital letters always. For example, Taj Mahal, Elizabeth, Mumbai. So these are all examples of proper nouns. So it names a specific person, animal, place, thing or idea. ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ആളുടെ പേരോ സ്ഥലത്തിൻ്റെ പേരോ ഐഡിയയുടെ പേരോ ആണ് പ്രോപ്പർ നൗൺ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. So this is the first division or categorization of nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. I hope you understood, right? Common nouns, it's not about a particular person or a thing, but common noun. But a proper noun is about a particular person, a particular thing, right? So next classification is about concrete and abstract nouns. So that is another division. So what do you mean by concrete noun? So there are nouns that you can perceive with your five senses. So what are your five sense organs? Or you have a sense of taste. You can taste with your tongue. So tongue, nose, eyes, ears, your skin. So these are all sense organs. You can feel with your skin, you can taste with your tongue, you can hear with your ear, you can smell with your nose, you can see with your eyes. So these are your five sense organs. So nouns that you can perceive, you can identify with these sense organs, with the help of your sense organs, five senses, are called concrete nouns. But there are certain nouns that you cannot perceive with these five senses. So those nouns are called abstract nouns. For example, bus. So it's a concrete noun. You can touch it, you can feel it, you can see it. That's an example of concrete noun. Another example, parrot or a puppy. So you can touch the puppy, you can feel the puppy, you can see the puppy. It's a concrete noun. But on the other hand, love or grace, sin. So these are all abstract nouns. You cannot perceive through your five senses. So such words are called abstract nouns. Certain abstract qualities, philosophical ideas, freedom, grace, then hatred, wickedness. So these are all examples of abstract nouns. Is it clear? Concrete noun എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഫൈവ് സെൻസ് ഓർഗൻസ് വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് കാണുവാനും കേൾക്കുവാനും പറ്റുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ബെഡ്, ചെയർ, ടേബിൾ, ഇതെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് എന്താ തൊടുവാൻ പറ്റും, നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. വി ക്യാൻ ഫീൽ ഇറ്റ്. സോ ദീസ് ആർ എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് നൗൺസ്. ബട്ട് ചില വാക്കുകൾ വി ക്യാൻ നോട്ട് പെർസീവ് ത്രൂ അവർ സെൻസസ്. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ സെൻസ് ഓർഗൻ വെച്ച് കാണുവാനോ കേൾക്കുവാനോ ഒന്നും പറ്റാത്ത വാക്കുകൾ, അബ്സ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് ക്വാളിറ്റീസ്, ചില സ്വഭാവ ഗുണങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകളെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുക, അബ്സ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് നൗൺസ്. ലൈക്ക് ലവ്, grace, kindness. So these are examples of abstract nouns. So that is the second division. You have got abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Then we'll move to the third categorization, that is singular nouns and plural nouns. So what is a singular noun? What is a plural noun? Nouns that name one person, place or thing are called singular nouns. Singular means, what is the word meaning? One. For example, one baby, a puppy, a flower. So these are examples of singular nouns. But nouns that name more than one person, place or thing are called plural nouns. Plural means more than one. Stars, cars, boys, owls. So these are examples of plural nouns. A car, a star, a boy. So words like mean a and an, they are used to identify, they are used before singular words. A car, a star, a boy, depending upon the vowel sound of the uh, depending upon the first sound. If it is a vowel sound, we use an, and if it is a consonant sound, we use a. So that is the third categorization: singular nouns and plural nouns. So babies, puppies, flowers, they refer to two or more things. That is plural noun. So നമുക്ക് എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട്? പ്ലൂറൽ നൗൺ ഉണ്ട്, സിംഗുലർ നൗൺ ഉണ്ട്. ഒരു നൗണിനെ, ഒരു പേഴ്സണെയോ ഒരു ബേർഡിനെയോ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിനെയോ നമ്മൾ റെഫർ ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ സിംഗുലർ നൗൺ. നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ സാധനത്തെയോ പ്ലേസസിനെയോ പേഴ്സണെയോ തിങ്ങിനെയോ എന്തെങ്കിലും മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ plural noun. So I have given an exercise here. So you need to identify the nouns as abstract or concrete, and then there is another exercise where you need to identify the three categories. So the nouns are underlined and you need to find out the three categories. So for example, I will give you the first one. Elephants are the largest land-dwelling animals in existence. So elephants and animals. So two nouns are underlined. So elephants, is it singular or plural? It's a plural noun. Is it concrete or abstract? It is concrete, right? You can see, you can feel the elephant. And is it a proper noun or a common noun? Elephants. It's a common noun. So likewise, identify all the three categories of nouns. So I hope these three categories of nouns are, you understood this, right? So nouns, what are nouns? Nouns are naming words, and these nouns can be singular or plural. It can be concrete or abstract, then it can be proper or common, right? So please try to do these exercises and post it in the Google Classroom. Thank you.